October Prime Day officially kicks off on the 8th. However, Amazon has already begun offering significant discounts on a wide range of tech gadgets, from high-end TVs to budget home appliances like robot vacuums, giving you a head start on your holiday shopping. For more comprehensive deals, visit thedetailguide.com in the description below. Our live blog is updated hourly, 24/7, featuring new offers as old ones expire. Here are our top picks for best early Amazon October Prime Day deals. All product links are provided in the description and more hourly live deals at thedetailguide.com. 38. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus was $220, now $173. For entertainment lovers, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a great choice, featuring an 11-inch screen perfect for streaming movies or playing games. 37. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 was $920, now $793. As one of our favorite Android tablets, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is now $127 off. 36. Wacom Intuos Pro was $378, now $313. Perfect for artists and designers, the Wacom Intuos Pro is a drawing tablet that mimics the 35. Microsoft Surface Pro 9 Refurbished was $1,100, now $789. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9, now $311 off, runs Windows 11. 34. Amazon Fire TV Soundbar was $120, now $95. This budget-friendly soundbar, now $25 off, supports DTS Virtual X and Dolby Audio for enhanced audio quality. 33. Amazon Fire TV 32-inch 2 Series HD was $140, now $100. Save 29% on this 32-inch Fire TV. The 32. Amazon Fire TV 50-inch 4 Series 4K was $450, now $280. Snag this 50-inch Fire TV for 33% off and enjoy your favorite 4K movies and TV shows with crisp clarity. 31. Amazon Fire TV Cube was $140, now $100. Enjoy a 29% discount on the Fire TV Cube, which comes with Alexa built-in for voice control and lets you stream all your favorite shows effortlessly. 30. Amazon Fire 40-inch HD Smart TV was $250, now $160. Get this budget-friendly Fire TV at $90 off. It's a great option for those looking for a smaller, affordable smart TV with built-in streaming apps. 29. LG B3 OLED 77-inch was $2,297, now $1,797. This more affordable 77-inch OLED model from LG is now $500 off. 28. Samsung S90D 65-inch OLED was $2,197, now $1,697. Samsung's flagship OLED TV is now $500 off and comes packed with premium features like object tracking sound and Dolby Atmos support. 27. Sony Bravia 8 OLED 65-inch was $2,500, now $1,898. It offers stunning visuals with Dolby Vision and immersive sound with Dolby Atmos. Other standout features include a 120 Hz refresh rate and Sony's Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology. 26. Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen was $249, now $189. Apple's most affordable smartwatch, the 2nd Gen Apple Watch SE, is now $60 off. 25. Apple Watch Series 9 was $429, now $329. Save $100 on the Apple Watch Series 9, which comes with GPS connectivity and a variety of color options. 24. Apple 2023 MacBook Pro was $1,599, now $1,299. Grab a 14.2-inch MacBook Pro at $300 off. 23. Apple 2024 MacBook Air was $1,099, now $1,029. Save $70 on the latest MacBook Air. Sleek, powerful, and ultra-portable, this laptop is perfect for on-the-go professionals. 22. Apple iPad Pro was $999, now $949. For those seeking top performance, the 11-inch iPad Pro, powered by Apple's latest M4 chip, is now $50 off. 21. Apple iPad 10th Gen was $340, now $280. If you're looking for a more recent iPad model with great features, this is a solid choice, now $60 off. 20. Apple iPad Mini 6th Gen was $499, now $380. The 6th generation iPad Mini, featuring an 8.3-inch display, a 15 processor, and 64 gigabytes of storage, is now $119 off. 19. Apple iPad 9th Gen was $329, now $224. If you are looking for an affordable iPad, the 9th generation model is currently 32% off, saving you $105. 18. Apple AirPods 4 was $129, now $119. The newest AirPods model is available at a small discount ahead of Prime Day. 17. Apple AirPods Max was $549, now $429. Save $120 on Apple's over-ear AirPods Max. 16. Apple iPhone 16 models was $829, now 1 cent. Get an iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max for just a penny when you sign up for a Boost mobile wireless plan through Amazon. 15. Wireless charging dock for Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition was $33, now $25. Tired of dealing with charging cables? This wireless charging dock for the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition is now available for $25, saving you $8 on a more convenient way to power your device. 14. Kindle Kids Paperwhite was $170, now $115. This Kindle Paperwhite, designed for children, comes with parental controls and a protective case, along with access to a large collection of books. It's now $55 off. 13. Kindle Scribe Essentials Bundle with leather folio cover was $440, now $300. The Kindle Scribe, ideal for note-taking, comes bundled with a leather folio cover and a power adapter. 12. Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition Essentials Bundle was $265, now $210. Our top pick for the best Kindle, the Paperwhite Signature Edition, is available in this Essentials Bundle, which includes a cover and other accessories. 11. Kindle Oasis was $270, now $135. One of the best deals available right now. The Kindle Oasis is 50% off. 10. Lenovo Tab M11 was $230, now $170. At 26% off, the Lenovo Tab M11 is a reliable and affordable Android tablet. 9. MacBook Air M2 256 gigabytes was $999, now $849. Although Apple's M3 MacBooks have been out for a few months, the price of the M2 models has only recently dropped. 8. Blink Outdoor 4 Security Camera 3-pack was $260, now $100. Blink's 3-pack of outdoor security cameras is currently 62% off, one of the biggest discounts seen in a while. It's an ideal time to boost your home security for less. 7. Ring Video Battery Doorbell Plus was $150, now $100. Upgrade your home security with this battery-operated Ring doorbell, now 33% off. You can also opt for the wired Ring Doorbell Pro 2, priced at $150, save $80. 6. Amazon Echo was $100, now $50. One of Amazon's most popular Echo devices is available at 50% off. This smart speaker is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their smart home setup. 5. Amazon Echo Spot Alarm Clock was $80, now $45. Enjoy 44% off Amazon's newest smart speaker and alarm clock. The Echo Spot offers a smart way to wake up and manage your day with Alexa. 4. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 Portable Power Station was $799, now $489. Known for its reliable portable power stations, Jackery offers this popular model at 38% off, bringing the price down by $310. It's perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency power needs. 3. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum was $525, now $400. Named the best robot vacuum by several users. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus excels at cleaning a variety of surfaces, including carpets, tiles, and pet hair. It's currently $125 off, making it a great time to purchase this self-emptying vacuum. 2. Apple Watch SE was $249, now $189. With no new Apple Watch SE released this year, this model remains the best entry-level smartwatch from Apple. Available now for $60 off, it's a great gift option for someone new to wearable technology. 1. Oura Ring Gen Horizon, silver or black, was $349, now $299. The Oura Ring Gen May 4th have just launched, but you can still score a great deal on the Gen 3 Horizon model. Available in sleek silver or black finishes, this ring is currently $50 off. If you're interested in other styles, the Stealth and Brushed titanium finishes are priced at $349, also offering a $100 discount. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more deals.